Hello friends, welcome to Maitreya Tech. In this video, we are going to discuss about the best 5G mobiles in India. This is a just guide for those who want to 5G mobile today. In this list, I have selected some of the best top branded phones with good specification in this price range. Present, there is no 5G network in India. Trial works are underway. If you just want to get a 5G mobile right now, in my opinion, no need to buy a 5G mobile present situation because it will take some times. Before going to start a video, which mobile are you using right now? Let me know the comment section. And all the links I gave in the description, check the updated price. First, Realme 8 5G. This mobile powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor. It comes with a triple camera setup. The main camera comes with 48 megapixel and 16 megapixel front camera, and it has 5000 mAh battery, and this battery supports 18 watts fast charger. This phone has two variants, 4GB RAM and 6GB RAM. The base variant 4GB RAM price is 14,889, and this phone has 6.5-inch Full HD plus IPS LCD display. Next, Oppo A74. This mobile powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 5G processor. It comes with 6.49-inch Full HD plus display. It has triple camera setup. The main camera is 48 megapixel and 8 megapixel front camera. This phone has 5000 mAh battery, and the battery supports 18 watts charging. The base variant 6GB RAM price 17,990. Compared to another companies, this mobile price slightly higher. iQOO Z3. This mobile powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 768 5G processor, and this phone has triple camera setup. The main camera is 64 megapixel and also 16 megapixel front camera. This phone has 6.5-inch Full HD plus IPS display, and display has 120Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate. It is very useful to playing games and using apps. This phone also has 5-layer liquid cooling system. It has 4400 mAh battery, and this battery supports 55 watts fast charging. It will full charge in 50 minutes. The base variant 6GB RAM 128GB internal memory price is 19,990. We can get 1000 rupees coupon for this mobile. And this mobile has only one 5G band support. Next, Samsung M42. This mobile powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G processor. This mobile has quad camera setup. The main camera is 48 megapixel and 20 megapixel front camera. This mobile has 6.5-inch HD plus Super AMOLED display, and phone has 5000 mAh battery, and this battery supports 15 watts charging. The base variant of phone 6GB RAM 128GB internal memory price is 21,999, and this mobile supports only two 5G bands. Next, Mi 10i. This mobile comes with Snapdragon 750G processor. It has camera setup. The main camera is 64 megapixel and 16 megapixel front camera. It has 4820 mAh battery, and the battery supports 33 watts for charging. It has 6.5-inch Full HD plus IPS LCD display, and display has 120Hz refresh rate. The base variant 6GB RAM 128GB in price is 21,999 rupees. Next, OnePlus Nord CE. This is the latest mobile from OnePlus. This mobile powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G 5G processor. It also has triple camera setup. The main camera is 64 megapixel and 16 megapixel front camera. This mobile comes with 6.43-inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED display, and display has 90Hz refresh rate. It has 4500 mAh battery, and this battery supports 33 watts fast charging. The base variant 6GB RAM 128GB model price is 22,999, and this phone has only one 5G band support. So these are the best 5G mobiles in India. I hope you like this video, and all the links I gave in the description. Please check the updated price. Thank you for watching.